So let me tell you about my trip to the GoPro Mountain Games. I am at the lodge at Vail. GoPro put me up here. They invited me here with a bunch of other, you know, media press type people. I don't really consider myself press, but if you're not familiar with the mountain games, it's like extreme outdoor sports. It's all really interesting and stuff that you don't really see in the Olympics or anything like that. So when I got the email saying, hey, would you like to come to the GoPro Mountain Games? All right, cool. Sign me up. So here I am. GoPro provided my travel here. They providing the hotel room, food, and all of the activities. We've basically been just going out on adventures. So I went in a double kayak, like an inflatable kayak. They call it a ducky. So I went with Zoe from Sunset Magazine, and she was in the front, I was in the back. Our boat, the ducky, seemed to, every single big rock in the middle of the creek, our boat was like, oh yeah, let's go over it. And so there were a few times that we kind of got stuck a little bit, but then the water rushing just, you know, kind of got us unstuck, except for this one time. We hit a rock. We kind of like hit it from the side, so the rock was sort of like in the middle of the boat. So the rock is here and our boat goes like this and stops, and then the rushing water like tips the boat, and we're like on our side and we're holding on for dear life, and there was no getting this thing off the rock. And one of the guides, he was kind of freaking out because right after that big rock was this big drop off. Not like a waterfall, but like a rushing water drop off, like a mini waterfall. He didn't really want us to bail out of our kayak and then go down it, like not in a vessel. So, but that's what ended up happening, not for me, but for Zoe, my partner. He asked her to get out. She held onto his kayak. They went down the little drop off. I thought she would get out so the front would have no weight, and so it would just fling me around. And so I was just kind of holding on for dear life, but that didn't happen. The boat didn't move. So another guide came, tried to help me figure out how to get off the rock.
Is there any way that you think you can stand up behind this rock?
How would I get over there?
He asked me if I could get off the kayak and stand on this side of the rock. I'm sure I could, except how am I going to get there? He and another guide kind of came and pulled my boat around.
Thank you.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
And then I went down the little drop off and then went and picked up Zoe just a tiny little ways down creek. We hit like 100 branches. It's a good thing we were wearing helmets, because our boat would either go for the center boulder and like go over that, or it would go over to the side and just like send us into the trees and the branches. And there was a lot of low-hanging branches. Like I said, it's a really good thing that I had a helmet on. I was just like mainly concerned with like stay in the boat and don't ruin your face on a tree branch. It was quite an adventure. So another epic day here. We did some hiking. We went we took a gondola up to mid-mountain and then hiked over the fireweed trail, which the lady said was easy. It's not easy at 10,000 feet, but I made it. I feel out of breath like with every step I take now. And I went down the mountain coaster, like this, it's like a roller coaster kind of, but you're like going downhill and spiraling around. So cool up there. It was so, you're like just racing down this hill.
All right, guys, ready on 3. 1, 2, 3. GoPro, GoPro, GoPro!
All right, so happy Sunday. It's a go home day. I have to pack up. I literally have an entire bed full of stuff to pack, plus like all my stuff that's like in the bathroom. It's been such a long weekend. It's been an amazing weekend. Fun, exhausting, really incredible though. Big, huge thanks to the GoPro team for having me. This was amazing and I'm super grateful for the opportunity, so thanks. So my trip to Colorado kind of re-inspired this idea that I've had for like about the last 2 years or so. And I talked about it a little bit on my channel last year actually.
We're matching.
I have been wanting to do something a little bit different here on my YouTube channel. My family and I have been having this kind of idea that we've been brainstorming together, and I called it the Epic Summer of Awesome, where we would actually make a list of things that we're gonna go do or see, and we would vlog about it. But, and I think you can probably relate to this, life stuff just got in the way of everything that we intended to do last summer. And our Epic Summer of Awesome idea got kind of pushed aside, and it really turned into more like an epic summer of chaos for us. I think we did maybe 1 or 2 things on our actual list, but I realized having all these amazing adventures in Colorado that I could actually reintroduce and kick off another Epic Summer of Awesome here on my channel for myself and my family, but also I could challenge you guys to an Epic Summer of Awesome. So I challenge you to an Epic Summer of Awesome with your family, your friends, your spouse, whatever. Make a list of some things that you're gonna actually go out and do and capture on camera this summer. You know, all the things that you say, we should do that sometime. Like, I think we all have those things. Stick to it, do it, video it, GoPro it, upload it, share it. By the way, if you don't have a GoPro, just stick with me till the end because I might be able to hook you up with a giveaway. Did you know I'm giving away a Hero 6 Black?
You don't have that, do you?
No, I don't. So, do you want to tell them how to enter to win the Hero 6 Black?
Sure. Well, here's how to enter. Make sure you like this video.
This video right here.
Yeah, this one right here.
And then comment down below. Let me know what is the #1 thing on your Epic Summer of Awesome list. What is something you're going to commit to actually go out and do with your family or your friends, and actually record it and share it with your friends and family. So like this video, leave me a comment. I need to pick an end date.
Comment below by some random date, you'll hear about it.
And the winner will be notified by YouTube message. So thanks GoPro for providing the Hero 6 for the giveaway and the accessories, and for supporting my mission to help families create and capture relivable moments on video. And the mountain games were a total blast. Thanks again, GoPro. Bye.